Hello everyone. Welcome to Let's Play Rain. This is part 5. As you can see, I'm doing a console Let's Play. And if you can see that I'm doing a console Let's Play, apparently this video was successful. But moving on. We're in chapter 5. Yeah, start from the checkpoint. I don't care. I really don't. I just hope this goes well, because if it doesn't, I'm going to be remarkably pissed. Like, really. But anyway, it's loading. How are you all doing on the other side of this screen? I guess, I don't know. Distant Shores, Chapter 5, alright. I believe I'm following a little girl. Okay. Last time I remembered, this dude was chasing us. Oh, I gotta start running, because apparently she wants to run too. Okay, they could hear the sound of a river. The girl hurried toward it. She's in such of a hurry. It was right there on the other side, but there was no bridge to reach it. Okay. Well, I'm boss, so, anything over here? No? Let's see, what is this? Nothing important? Guess not. I'll go this way. Oh, shoot. Ooh, what is this? Ah, the frickin' Metroids. A swarm of critters jostled and jumped behind the gate. They don't seem to be jumping. I'm gonna run for my life. I don't trust it. What's with the drawings? Human body is a walking palace? So, about this. Oh, I see. Yeah! Suck that dog's blood. Alright, yeah. Now y'all go on about your business, look for another prey. And, I guess we go on about our business. I don't really know exactly what I'm to be expecting. Ooh, it's a thing. Shall I turn the handle? You might want to come over here before I do that. Ah, good idea. Yeah. I'll lift you up, and you knock that thing down so it can create a cover for us. And when we open that gate there, then they could start swimming and through or whatever. And, you know, they won't detect us or whatever. But in order to do that, I have to turn this handle here. Open the gate over here. Oh, that didn't work. Nope, don't eat me. Yes! Suck that dog's blood. Alright. Yeah! So about that. Where the hell am I? I really don't know where the hell I'm at. I'm kind of scared. Shoot! No! 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 Oh, he's done for. I didn't know where I was. I couldn't help that. I didn't know where I was. Okay. Yeah, you do your thing right there. What the hell? Okay, thank you. Yeah, turn the handle. Yeah, alright, so they run over there. Thank you, that's what I was wanting to do. I just didn't know how to do it because I couldn't see myself anywhere. Alright. On to the next puzzle. Oh, that doesn't sound too nice. Ah! Giant douche McGee. And suddenly, there it was again. That means we gotta run. Yeah, I'm not stopping. Apparently, because the thing can see us. Yeah. Does it hear the pitter-patter of the feet? Oh god. Yes, it does. Let's go, let's go. Crow, come. What are you doing? Come, hurry up. Yes. I don't play with that. That kind of stuff we don't play with around here. So, you might want to come over here. Like, quickly? Quickly would be nice. Alright, I'm gonna lift you up. And you're gonna put that ladder down, okay? It looked like he was about to bust through that wall. I don't trust a lot of what's going on in this game, actually. Thank you. Now I shall climb up. Oh, I thank you. So, does that mean I gotta go over here? Don't worry, I'll be right back. I'll be on the other side because, you know, I'm awesome like that. Okay. Alright. I'll figure this out somehow. It seemed that the girl was unable to escape. Well, I don't quite care for that right now. Exit private. Secret door? No. Can I hide in here? What the hell is that? Oh, the game has been destroyed by the giant beast. I don't pretty much care for that. I really don't care much for that at all. Hey, hey. I really don't care much for that. I got an idea. Hello? Bro, you out there? Where you at? Hey, how you doing? Oh, it's coming. Move out the way, girl. All right. And it knocked itself out. Well, that thing weak as hell. Holy shit. Well, let's keep going. You can go the long way if you want. I don't care. All right. You know, splash about. Come on now. Let's go. Well, you can wash yourself in there. Good job. Is it like extremely cold out? That's what I'm like. I'm just like that's seriously what's running around in my head right now. Like, can you just like imagine? You're just like running around. You're like freaking. All you're wearing is just your dress or your pajamas, and it's like raining outside. It's probably windy as ever, and oh, yeah, you might want to put that down right now. Put it 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 down right now. Climb up right now. Climb up right now. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, please. Thank you. That would be lovely. I don't much care for this. Oh, great. Is it gonna hit that car? Oh, it's gonna hit it. Okay. The giant monster car the girl climbed into. Okay, then what? What the hell? Well, damn. Could you, like, you could have just kept doing your old thing that you were doing. Didn't have to turn around.
I gotta do this again. Let's do this again. Let's do this again. Okay, let's do this again. Let's do this again. Okay, we're gonna do this again. You're gonna hit that motherfucking car. Yeah, just like that. Well, not yet, but you're gonna hit that gate. That's what I meant to say. And then you're gonna hit that motherfucking car. Try to just account. What you gonna do, Nico? What you gonna do?
Okay, I'll stop. Okay. Alright, then what? There was nothing he could do to stop the giant beast. Yeah, apparently. So, I crawl on the air, which was something I was trying to do before. What is this? Oh! Son of a dick. Eat it up. Yeah! Woo! Alright!
Freaking awesome! I'm awesome!
Dang, man, that'll suck the blood out of that thing, even if it kills him. I don't even know if water kills him. I don't. I really don't. But, we're gonna be moving forward. Hey, I'm right. Wasn't that fun? How you were like in that freaking car and you were like, you know, getting bound rushed by a freaking rhino, a hybrid dinosaur thing? I don't know what the hell that was. Oh, where am I going? Yeah, wasn't that fun? It was like the best ride ever. I wouldn't recommend being a part of it, but you know. A great bridge appeared before them. Yes, let's go to the great bridge.
We're almost home, Lassie! Yay! Yay!
Totally no freaking train is coming, right? No types of horrors is going to await me, huh?
Yay!
I'm totally not afraid of Giant Douche McGee, and beyond the circus, they could just make out a little house. The little house, not a little house. The little house. Remember the lighthouse? The house that had the light on? Yeah, in the last episode. Okay. I do. On they went, toward their destination. Hey look, there's like a thing over here. What's over here? I'm curious, so, you know. I was right to be curious. I was very right to be curious. I was so right to be curious. I was so right to be curious. I'm a genius! Alright, so, what do I do from here? Okay, we're gonna run for our lives in about 5, 4, 3, 2, go! Oh, she's all walking. She's like, whatever.
She's like, whatever. This is nothing. I deal with things like this every day. This is nothing.
She's a freaking expert. Oh, wait, where the hell am I going? How the hell do I get through? I guess we don't go over there. I just ran over there because it seemed like a cool thing to go to. Oh, what is this? Something I can grab and push. And then there they saw it. A ladder reaching up. Out of the sewer. Well, I'm gonna push this thing. I need your help. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Descend the ladder, we shall do that thing. Come now. There's much to, do and stuff. You can move a little bit quicker, that would be nice. Oh, take your little time, go ahead. Come on, we gotta push this thing. I can't do it by myself.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go. I'm gonna lift you up here. You're gonna go up there. Because that's pretty much how my mind is thinking right now. Just... Oh, yeah, the ladder. I see it. The ladder over there. The ladder. Yeah, the ladder. Okay, she's gonna get that ladder. I'm gonna go and climb up that ladder. And we're gonna get the heck out of here. Somehow. I don't even know how the heck we're getting the heck out of here. But, yeah. Climb up the ladder. And we're gonna get the heck out of the sewer. And from there, we do whatever. I don't know. We'll figure it out as things continue forward. To find another way up, the two descended into the sewer. Because sewers are always so nice and calm. I love the sewer. Even the music seems to, like, give out that terrifying feeling like, hey man, this is sewer. Get ready to have your entire life ruined due to sewage. I can't tell whose pitter-patter is pitter-pattering. That's okay though. You know, we're cool. We're still good. Oh look, it's a dog thing. Some kind of dog. Cause dogs likes to pitter patter. We're still good, you know, we're dry and stuff. We just gotta create some noise, right? Okay, go, go, son of a bitch! Go. Though they were not inside, the scent of the beast was all around. Okay, so we can go on. Alright. Healing continued. Though they were not in sight. The scent of the beast was still around. Must you make that noise? Let's see them continue carefully and quietly on their way. Oh, thank you! Was that me? I couldn't tell. I can't see anything. Fucking devils. This is why I don't like sewers. And being invisible while in the sewer does not help my cause at all. Okay, here we go. I got an idea. Whee! What's that? Watch the ripples of the water on the ha make your way through without bumping into them. Oh yeah, that makes sense. Yeah! Alright, what do we do from here? Oh, we continue forward? Alright. Woo! Sorry about that. I had to do something with my camera there. Kind of ran out of battery. So anyway, here we are. We're back. And woohoo! All right. Hopefully, we'll be finishing this checkpoint, this chapter here soon, because freak. I don't trust that at all. But yeah, as I was saying, hopefully we'll be finishing this up soon, because my time is almost up here, and I've been pretty much good on making sure the destination lay just outside the sewer. Alright, I've been, like I was saying, I was doing pretty well with time and everything, making sure that each chapter matched up with the number of parts in this series. So yeah, I've been pretty good with that. I think I got like, what, 4 more minutes? I know I said I was gonna do like 15 minutes last time, but I'm like, no, it's not. Okay, there they found a ladder leading up to the streets. Okay, and she's looking down there for what reason now? Hey, let's go up there. Let's go. Come on. Let's go up there. You see, up there, there's a ladder. Up there leads to the streets. The ladder where the circus is at, you know, that leads up to the house. I could have sworn I just saw something behind me. Or maybe that's just my reflection or something. I don't know. Okay, upon seeing it, the girl began to run, hoping with all her heart that the loneliness was over at last. And then she runs into a trap or something. Chapter 5, Distant Shores. Thin. Alright. Yes! Well. That ends Part 5 of Rain. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Demidon of Demidon Games. And when we continue with more Rain... Yeah, I said when we continue, because this video apparently was successful. So, let me continue with what I'm saying. When we continue with Rain, which would be, what, Chapter 6? Well, maybe this is the end. Oh, no, let me see. Chapter 6, The Night Circus. Okay, apparently there's more chapters. Okay, this probably is the last chapter. I don't even know. But when we continue with more Rain... we'll be in Chapter 6, The Night Circus, where we pretty much frolic around in the circus in hopes of figuring out the whole thing with the lighted house and hopefully finding sanctuary and peace and all that lovely stuff. But anyway, until then...